Oh, YouTube, I just made a mission on wires in my car to Ontario, and it was pretty sunny. I should have recorded me driving there, but I just drove pretty far on wire in a hot day, and I'm just around the corner from the shop. I'm gonna buy these tires for my car, so now I can continue. You guys didn't know, but I was filming a video the other day on what kind of wheels I was gonna get, but today's a surprise. I'm gonna go pick up these tires, hit a tire shop, install them, and then put them in my car for y'all today. Q45, or just any car with BC Racing coilovers. All right, love y'all. See you guys soon. Pick up these tires, drop a quick check on this. Peace. Business has been made. 2 tires, 2 wheels in the back. Gotta go to this tire shop back in my hometown. Gonna go install them and then go back to the house, install them on time. Let's hope to God the tires do not explode, but if it does, I somehow will be still able to edit this video. Subscribe for me risking it all for you guys, because I honestly didn't even need to buy wheels. I just wanted to do it because I thought it'd be a cool idea for a video. But shout out to everyone. Love y'all, everyone. This is so stupid of me, but it's all good. You know, you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. But yeah, guys, the guy Pedro, he hooked it up super fat for these 2 tires, 235, 35, 225, 35, 18. So I'm running 18-inch tires. I'm gonna run lower profile because right now I'm running 215, 60 profile, bro. That is so ridiculous. I was not gonna buy some cheap old stock tires anymore. Like, I was like, nah, we ain't doing that no more. These aren't like the craziest tires like Nankangs, but I mean, we're gonna be running Federals. Watch when that tax return comes, bro, shit's gonna hit different, no cap. But yeah, let's wish me luck on this drive home, and love you guys. And I know I've said this like 40 times, bro, but be safe. And that Y33, time to strap up, put that directions on. My temps are good, but it's super hot outside, and the car made it all the way to Ontario when it's 88 degrees outside. By the way, is there a freaking basketball or football team for Ontario? Is that like Florida or something? I don't know, comment down below. I might be stupid, but let's have a fun drive and wish me luck, boys and girls. And 98, I think 89% of you guys are not subscribed, and I would love to say you guys should subscribe. You guys, I think I am worth the investment of that subscribe button. And comment down below, like and subscribe, and shout out to everyone. And I'm sorry for risking it all for tires. I couldn't get a ride from anyone, so I had to just do it. Yo, why won't it let me zoom in more? Yo, it says Tennessee, boys. The truck says Tennessee, so if you got anyone next to you, punch them in the arm, because Tennessee, if you guys ever play that license plate game, I got no one to play with, so it's all good. Whatever. By the way, I don't condone any of the actions I am doing in this video. Do not drive on wire. That is the dumbest shit you can fucking do. I am sorry for cussing. I am doing absolutely the dumbest shit right now. Don't fucking do it. Life lessons, bro. Don't do that shit. I have 5 ways to make your car last. This is one of the ways to destroy your fucking car. Alright, I'm gonna continue my drive, but yeah, don't do this. Don't do this at all. And don't be on your phone while driving. I got 5% tint, no one go see me. Hey, don't get finessed, alright guys? If you need to put new tires on, sucks, but fucking put your shit on jack stands. Don't take your car to a tire shop for them to put on jack stands and charge you an extra $100 to use the jack. Go, bring the tires in your car. They'll charge you $50 to install all 4 tires. Easy as that. Money made easy. See, it's not like a bike tire. I'm pretty sure bike shops charge more money than fucking car shops to install tires. But yeah, don't get skimmed. Do your thing. Went to Just Tires. Drove all the way to Ontario, all the way back to... Oh my gosh, this guy keeps acting like he's talking to me. We'll get these tires in the car, and I'll see you guys in the house. Time to start working on this car. No more 16-inch wheels with 215 60 16s. 16's a little too small. Gonna raise the suspension up, get these wheels on. Got some low profile tires too, so it's gonna look beautiful. Want to succeed, for me to move on and succeed. Jealousy, envy, greed. Too much of this shit I don't need. I turn up the gas to a knuckle plate. Oh, I don't even know the lyrics, bro. I am fucking hyped. Got these wheels installed. Got that sweet ass deal from the homies from Just Tires. Don't. Oh, yes. I got the tires on from the boys from Just Tires. Helped me out. But I'm hyped. Time to go home and let's put these motherfuckers on real quick. It's gonna be a fun day. Can't wait to see how the car looks. It's gonna be so crazy. Or maybe it's not gonna be crazy at all. I'm just hyped that it's about time to buy new tires. And wheels, all that good stuff. No more driving on wire. Ain't that big of a savage no more. But beautiful sunset. I'm glowing. Peace out, y'all. It's one beautiful day. One beautiful day. Hey, tell me guys the truth too. If you guys like iPhone film compared to my GoPro. My GoPro is pretty mean too. But I bet you the audio on this thing's way nicer. Yo, what is up, y'all? Matthias from Jib Boys. The surprise today are some G35 2003 to 2007 18x8 wheels. Surprise, 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 boys. This shit's gonna fucking change the game completely. You better like and subscribe so I can buy more expensive wheels down the line, motherfuckers. Just right now, I'm gonna adjust the suspension most likely, but I just want to see if, because I got low profile tires, if it'll even out evenly, or however you say it. But comment down below if you have a G35 or an Infiniti down below for my Infiniti bros. Yeah, bro, I need to lower the front more.
Yeah, or you should have just gone higher profile and it would not show as much.
Damn, this might be a bad idea to get such low profile wheels.
Yeah, I don't know, you went so low.
Ryan told me to. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Ryan. It looks good though. But damn, that is so
Now your
bad.
Fitment's at.
Oh my gosh, dude, I'm gonna be so low. So guys, I just installed the wheels and I came to a conclusion that if I lower the car anymore, I will be so freaking low, it'll actually be ridiculous. So I don't know if this will be an adjusting the suspension video today. Maybe the rears, because I got some thick boys back there and I gotta replace them. But yeah, sometimes you just gotta make sure you don't listen to your oldest brother sometimes and just ask your dad for his opinion, because I got 35 profile. I mean, it looks good. I mean, if I lower the car more, it just looks fucking bomb. It looks super good. But the thing is, I live where there's speed bumps. If I go where there's speed bumps, my car's gonna take a shit. But my brother just said right before he pressed the record button, he goes, "Dude, you sound bummed." I'm not bummed, but
Well, your man's is fucking bummed right now. Your boy Monty is your boy bummed.
I mean, nearly died driving on wire. I mean, new tires, new tires, new wheels are new wheels, you know what I mean? Gotta be appreciative of whatever happens in life, but yeah, boys. I don't know. Fitment wise right now, looking pretty garbage. You'll see right now when I lower this car. But at least the wheels are compatible with my car. It fits nice and snug.
Maybe I'll sit differently when it's both on the floor. Cause
Maybe actually, I don't know. Actually, it might be worse because the other side would have made the other side tilt.
Yeah, we'll see right now. Yeah, but you have to also realize that like your rears are also fucking from the stock ones, so it's all gonna make your shit so weird. What do you guys think about these wheels? What wheels are these, Matthias? Do they know?
They're Infiniti's G35 stock wheels from the 2003 to 2008 G35. 2003 to 2008 G35. I'll even put a picture of the G35. You know, the ones that make the fart sounds that are really loud every time you wake up in the morning, your neighbor drives it? It looks good spinning.
Alright.
I want to choose.
I told him that.
Actually, that does look good now that the both sides are dry. This side's higher than the other side, bro. 100%, bro.
I think you should have gotten deep dish wheels.
Look, it's not bad actually. Let me see. Film, dude. Film some quality content right here. Look at this, bro. Nico, film. That doesn't look bad. That doesn't look bad. That looks pretty good. I should have got 19s. Or I could put 20s on this car, bro.
Yo, fools that always do a bad investment, always trying to hype themselves up, and you know, just tell themselves that they did a good purchase, but in reality they did a shit purchase. I've been there a lot of times, so I already know when I see it. Yo, boy, fucked up.
There's always good that comes out of things like this. You know, there's always something good that can happen out of all this situation. Like I can get a elbow bump on that subscribe button. I can get a left elbow bump on that like button real quick, just so you know, we can possibly buy some new tires soon. As you may tell from the rotation video, these tires are gonna go out very fast, but at least they're 18s. Am I right? Comment down below if you got 18-inch wheels. Like and subscribe if you got some 18-inch wheels, guys.
I'm from the rear. From the rear ones.
Let's put the rear one.
This shit look booty, but it's all good, dude. Dude, you know what you're gonna have to do? You're gonna do a video on painting your calipers, cause
those are things that
they look dusty. They do look dusty, my boy. They look like
we have the tire
shit.
sprayer, so I'm gonna wash the. I'll probably take the car to the spray and wash after this.
Bruh. Alright, let's do the rears. That's tucked. That's beautiful. That's beautiful.
That's how it looks.
That looks fucking bomb. That looks bonkers. Yeah. Alright, so your boy Monty, guys, vibes killed. So we're out here working on this car. If you don't know, it's your boy Nico. Yeah, we out here working on your boy Monty's car right now. I'm gonna show you how it should look, and you're gonna be so mad.
Why does this all take so long to load? Oh wait. Letting my brother Nico do the hard work for me to see how much I fucked up by buying 35 profile. That's what I meant.
Basically, Matthias messed up the second he wanted to stay with the low profile on the front and have a high profile on the back. That's where he messed up. Only reason why people do that is when they have a smaller rim in the back and they want to, you know, have the same height in the front and back. But your boy Monty said, you know what?
Hey, drop a slip.
He said, fuck that shit.
Damn, I fucked up.
Oh, that shit looks juicy though.
That looks perfect.
That looks juicy.
That was perfect fitment, bro.
Right?
I fucked up.
No shit. Dude, if you're rolling around like that, oh my gosh, bro, shit looks busting.
Damn. Like and subscribe. That sucks.
Fat ass L. That shit looks so hard too.
That is a fat L.
That shit looks so hard.
That's a fat L.
Oh, dude.
That's one fat L.
You're buying wheels, right? Wheels are very important on your car. You don't want to mess up when it comes to wheels. You always want to have good wheels, and you always want to make sure you ain't trying to run around and jank fucking Fitment. And your boy Monty, he's me the perfect example of shit Fitment, but it's alright because at the end of the day, as long as you love your car, you're fine. And all its imperfections.
Yeah, so sometimes you just gotta live and you learn, you know what I mean? Shout out to Joe Boys. This is a car channel too. Yeah, but all of you BMX riders that might get cars one day, just go make sure before you buy something you just really know what you're doing, because I spent some good amount of money to find out I made a bad decision. But at least I have money for Valentine's Day, right? That is one good thing, I guess. Dun, 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 dun. You know the song from George Lopez movie, the show? Yo, what's up? What do you guys think? I should use Nico's camera more often to film videos. I kind of look like a David Dobrik video right now. But yeah, let's see how's my bike looking. BMX bike. Gonna go post up over here on the rear end of this beautiful car with its uneven tires. It's easy to make bad decisions sometimes. Dun 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 dun. Damon, loosen the wheels.
It's alright.
I love that we're all saying not that bad. Not that bad.
It's bad, but it's whatever.
I love how Dio and Thea are like, it's not that bad.
I think that tire's flat, my boy.
That one?
Yeah.
Fans. Guys, I drove all the way to Ontario on these tires.
Oh, bro, this fucking shit ain't working, bro. That shit's got charged, my
Go to
boy.
the light, look.
Hold up.
Oh, dude.
Hold up. Alright, there you go.
Look, y'all. When I told you guys I was driving on wire, I was not fucking capping, bro. That's still like, what, 20,000 miles still left in there?
Like a good 1,000. It's all good, whatever. Alright. You better make room for them. You can't just leave them. Bro, if you got... Dude, I'm so sad for you. Like, if you got like the right tire profile, dude, you would have been straight chilling. This would have not even been an issue.
How looks so weird.
Alright, well, hurry up and let's fucking close out this video.
Alright. Just blessed to be alive, guys. I want you guys to like and subscribe. I did not adjust the suspension, but I did find out that I should probably test fit tires and wheels before I put them on and buy expensive tires and put them on my car for a really shitty fitment. So all my Infiniti Y33 G35, all you owners, just want to point out, or anyone with a car, be smart with your decisions unless you got a shit ton of money just to waste, because I low-key did waste some money, but we're just gonna wait till these tires get bald again, just like these ones back here. And yeah, live and you learn. The Y33 looks a little cleaner, even though the front end's a little messy, but there's always a good side to things. The good side was I'm alive. I'm not driving a wire again. Got some fat, thick boys in the back, slightly thick in the front. And yeah, like, subscribe, click the link in the bio. Follow me on Instagram, your boy Monty. And stay up, stay lit, stay woke. Keep your minds clear. Jesus Christ is real.